Today, we're testing out football life hacks. These are some everyday tricks to make your football life easier. So the first hack is for your smelly football boots. And apparently if you put a tea bag inside your boots, it takes away the smell. The science behind this one is that the tea bag will soak up all the moisture and the smelly smell. So this one actually is pretty decent. So the next hack is for your leather football boots, which are a little bit too small. And if you fill your boot with water and freeze it, it stretches the leather and they should fit you again. Let's try this one out. So now that the water's in the boot, we just have to put it in the freezer, the ice will expand, and these will fit us again. And after trying these things on, they do actually feel a bit bigger. This hack works. So the next myth is used by players like Ronaldo, Messi, and Mbappe. And they actually cut their team socks so they can wear their favorite socks underneath. So first up, we're gonna cut the sock.
And remember everyone at home, be careful when using scissors.
Now all that's left is to put these things on. And now we have socks just like Ronaldo.
How many differences could you spot?